Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The euro rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The Aussie gained 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street pushed higher and the dollar tipped lower after stocks surged last week on expectations that the US economy would dodge a recession and cooling inflation would kick off a cycle of interest rate cuts. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 both rose over 0.5%. Cardano has fallen out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization after dropping approximately 3% over the last 7 days. Cardano, once ranked third in crypto rankings during the 2021 bull cycle, is currently 11th after Tron. AMD said it plans to acquire server maker ZT Systems for $4.9 billion as the company seeks to expand its portfolio of artificial intelligence chips and hardware and battle Nvidia. AMD plans to pay for 75% of the ZT Systems acquisition with cash and the remainder in stock.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's exports will be released at 23:50 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock at 20:30 GMT. Germany's Producer Price Index will be released at 6 GMT. Japan's imports at 23:50 GMT. The Eurozone's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices at 9 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.